Cool.
That was the video of her. That's very cute.
That's what she does when she
we
jumps
can't
on the
get
bed.
stills
It's
that
amazing that you're videotaping all these things.
Yeah. We have from when she was like 3 days old.
Wow.
She's like this little bundle in bed.